Hey guys, welcome back. Today we try to understand how to use the watch window feature available in formula auditing. This is an extension to a previous video related to formula auditing, and we'll today specifically touch upon this topic of watch window. Now, watch window is used to closely monitor the sales and their formulas without frequently going to the sale location. So if you have multiple windows, I use it for formula. I'll tell you the practical use. So my sheet is usually linked with multiple 30, 40 different sheets, and there are various formulas on those sheets as well. But if I'm working on this particular sheet, I'm not able to understand what is happening to a formula on that particular sheet based on this particular formula. Yeah. So in order to see that particular changes, so suppose I have a formula which is linked to this particular data. So I say 1000 plus anything that I had on this particular sheet. So suppose total. Yeah, I get the value here. But as I go on the sheet, I'm not able to understand what is happening to that value. So if I say change it to 3 lakh, I don't know what is happening on that value, which is on other sheet. I have to go to that sheet and I have to find out. Rather than that, what I can do is I can just add a watch window. This is the window that you get. It's pretty simple. So you can add a watch and delete a watch. Yeah. So if I have to add a watch, I want to add a watch for this particular formula. I say add. Yeah. I want to add a watch on this error. I say add watch. So I can add multiple watches here. Same way, I go to other sheet where I want to have a check on this particular formula. I'll say add watch and I'll say add. Pretty simple. Now, if I am on this sheet right now, just by making changes here, suppose I'm making a change in this 4,55,000, I'm making it 3 lakhs. Yeah. Just have a look at the cell below. I can clearly see what is happening on this particular B16. On the B16, I'm not able to, yeah, B16 that is available. So, which is available on a different sheet altogether. So, if you see here, I made the changes and my B16 has changed. Yeah, again, I'll show you. Have a look at the B16. I'm making it 5 lakhs here. And you see the change that is happening below. Yeah. So from this one window, I am able to track what, because of this formula changes, what is happening to a certain output that is available on a different sheet altogether. Yeah. So if I have to keep a watch on all the formulas that are related to a particular analysis that I'm doing, I can add it to the watch window and keep a track of it. I can see what is happening on those other formulas while I'm updating this it here. Yeah, so it's a kind of watch that I'm keeping on my formulas as per the changes that I'm making here, or your current sheet or any evaluated sheet. Yeah, so that is the major use for watch window, and it is widely used when you're doing some modeling and you have multiple sheets through which you are running your formulas. Yeah. So if you do not want to just remove the a particular watch, I'll just click on that particular watch that you want to remove and click on delete watch. This will delete that particular watch. I do not need to view it. You can add multiple watches here, extend this particular window, how you like it. Yeah. Hope you understood this particular section because it's very important. That's why I took it in a different video, because this is a part of formula auditing that you need to use while you are running into different sheets. If you're working on a single sheet, that doesn't make sense. But yes, on a single sheet as well, if you have multiple tables on various sections on a particular sheet, then you can use this watch window to check the effect of your formula on different entities or outputs. Hope you understood this concept of watch window. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel, and comment if you want me to cover any of the topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.